How's your day going so far?
So far, so good. I got some peaches the size of grapefruit. Got some Rainier cherries, the biggest I ever saw and the best I ever ate. And some damn good beef jerky. So I'm doing pretty good.
And that, the beef that
pepperoni sticks?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got some pepperoni sticks. Kathy likes those.
Yeah. The flowers are amazing. Oh, dang. How tall is that guy? How tall is that guy?
Beautiful flowers, though. Thank you, guys. Have a good day.
Oh, look at the flowers, lady.
Down below, guys. You know, just not insurance.
You want some?
Oh, I don't know.
I don't even know what to say. It's a different breed.
I have a couple peaches.
Oh yeah, they're big.
You guys got any questions out there?
Huh?
Any questions out there?
Questions? Why are we here on this planet?
Like I said, I'll take an answer too.
If I had the answers, I wouldn't be
You
here.
don't really pay me enough to have all the answers. I can just get you some.
I'll take a couple
Make up
peaches.
some. That's what I do. I don't have any answers. I just make it all up. What's your question?
Why are we here on Earth?
Why are we here on Earth?
Oh, shit, to sell peaches,
What's the
dude.
answer to the universe?
No, listen, it's to sell peaches.
For commerce.
Did you try them yet?
No, but
Yeah, that's what the hell I'm doing here. That's it, the peaches and these two. Did you try your cherries?
I have in the past.
I mean, yeah, but these ones right now are fantastic. It's a big... Where do you live?
Florida.
Yeah, see, you don't get this cherry. I mean, you might get something they call a Rainier, but it ain't anything like this. You know, these are the kind that you only find over in Asia. 1, 2, and then the last one more. Guys, come back and see us get some
over there.
and then, how long you need to be up here? 4 or 5 days. Okay. Yeah, there's some fit box coming up. Get a little bit of fruit to snack on, and then before you go back, if you want, take a little bit back with you on the plane. We do a ton of packing. Okay. Anyways, what do we need today?
Pick me out 2 big peaches.
Okay, now I
Pound
would.
of cherries.
You want these, which are not ripe. Oh my God! No, wait a minute. I got a couple big ones that are ripe now.
We're gonna eat it tonight or tomorrow.
Yeah,
Simmer down, Andrew. Simmer down.
I didn't say a word.
Can I get a box of things?
Yeah.
You take card? I have never been in, so I can walk away.
Guys, see you later. All right, last call, guys. Last call.
Hi. What are they selling over there? Seafood?
In there?
Yeah.
Restaurant. Good peach too, huh?
Yeah. And the Rainier
Huh?
was like, damn, the cherries are good. It's the best so far that I've tasted.
I never knew they existed until I came out here 1 year. They were cherry time. There's clam.
Manila clams.
Evidently. Mussels.
Uh-huh. Oh yeah. Wow.
$30
Big, yeah.
For the legs, $59.50. Paws are $49. You get a lot more almost legs, that's why.
Tails, just wow.
I'm impressed with the seafood.
Yeah.
Not impressed.
Good.
I like to eat it. You better learn to eat more.
Lobster tails are like wow.
Those are, Bahamas.
Yeah.
I'm shopping at it.
Uh-huh. Look at the flowers, baby.
Yeah.
It's like $30 in Florida. What should we get? She doesn't need anything on her Corinne, on her table setting or whatever. Like that $10 anyway. It's like $40. I'm not true. Oh, and look at that.
July.